What's up everyone, Shaka and Brian here and you're watching Tablet Guy.
And today we have the smartwatch that is reviewed as the best watch on online sites in economy Chinese watch category.
Well, this watch is none other than the Kospet Magic 2. The thing about Chinese smartwatches is they overpromise and underdeliver, but that's not the case with this baby.
The features of this watch are practical. They have not promised rocket science but deliver what they have specified.
The best part of this watch is its awesome price, that is under $25. But before you can buy it, let's check whether it's really worth the price. And we'll give you 8 good reasons to buy this watch. First, let's talk about the design.
Kospet Magic 2 smartwatch has a new design. It is now much more professional looking compared to the first version, which is aligned more on minimalist style.
The bezel of the Magic 2 is more like a chronograph design with a physical button that is now much pronounced. Still, it has a zinc alloy body making it lightweight, weighing only 60 grams despite addition to the body.
The smartwatch has a soft but durable silicone strap. It features a quick release pin for easy replacement. The Kospet Magic 2 comes with a replacement strap for free with two-tone color.
That brings us to the next reason to buy this watch, the interchangeable straps. The default strap that comes with the watch is colorful and available in steel and silicone. You can easily match with your unique fashion look. The watch is also available with a premium strap but with a higher price. But no need to worry, there are plenty of strap options in the after-sale market.
There are tons of options available on AliExpress and Gearbest to choose, and the costs of the interchangeable straps are in between $3 to $10. Good value for the straps in the market.
Let's talk about the water resistance. The watch is IP68, so it's water resistant to splashes. Dipping into 1 meter of water will not break it. The IP68 water resistance standard ensures safety for devices for water sports like swimming in shallow waters, not made for deep dives. Now let's talk about the display. Kospet fans will surely love this. The Kospet Magic 2 has a wider display angle, having a 1.3-inch TFT LCD display with a 360 by 360 pixel resolution.
Its sharp, wide-angle display is protected by an ultra-clear, wear-resistant curved glass screen. The high-resolution display screen has vivid colors compared to the regular 240 by 240 pixel resolution that we see in other brands of smartwatches.
So that's why it becomes more attractive with preloaded watch faces. With its huge storage space, the smartwatch has at least 12 watch faces to choose from. On number 5, we have the hardware.
It is powered by MTK 2502 plus BMA 425 dual chip, an advanced chip with low power consumption.
Sensors included are acceleration sensor, heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor, blood oxygen monitor, but doesn't have an ECG monitor.
The wearable is Bluetooth 4 compatible with Android 5.1 and above and iOS 10.0 and above. It uses the Fundo Support app. It also supports Bluetooth calling.
The smartwatch is much faster compared to its previous version with its upgraded memory.
It has a 512 kilobytes of RAM and 128 MB of flash memory.
On its battery, no worries on its battery life. The Kospet Magic 2 has at least 7-10 days of battery life on a normal usage, and 30 days on the standby time.
This is possible due to its low power consumption chip.
That's true, the battery, which is 200 mAh, can last up to a week in just a single charge.
It's ironic, although equipped with such modern features, Kospet Magic 2 can still give up to 30 days of standby time.
Now let's talk about the features. Just like the other Kospet smartwatches, the Kospet Magic 2 is loaded with the call and message notifications. And according to Kospet, you have the option to turn it off. It also supports social app notifications as Facebook, Skype, Twitter, WeChat, Weibo, WhatsApp, Instagram, KakaoTalk, and QQ. Not hearing about most of these apps make me look outdated, but you can set it on alarm with up to 8 alarm settings.
You can also set alarm with up to 8 alarm settings. Unlike the first version with 12 sports mode only, the Magic 2 smartwatch is packed with at least 30 sports mode. Yes, whether it's indoor sport or outdoor, the Magic 2 got it all. The smartwatch even has sport monitoring for Pilates, yoga, billiards, hula hoop, which you don't usually see it on other smartwatches. Get fit with its tailor-made sports for health and fitness enthusiasts.
Aside from the above sport features, the smartwatch is also an automatic step counter with calorie and distance tracking. It's also equipped with heart rate monitoring, blood pressure monitoring, and blood oxygen monitoring to keep your health in check all the time. Additional health check functions including the smartwatch or sleep is definitely worth the price. And this watch, compared to the other flagship watches, has a very good price to quality ratio. But like the other smartwatches, the Kospet Magic 2 also has some downsides to it. By downsides I mean disadvantages. So it's the time to get mean. First disadvantage, it doesn't have NFC, so if you're the type that pays in style by swapping your wrist, this watch isn't for you. The watch also does not have a GPS, so it will rely on your smartphone GPS for fitness activities. It's also not suitable for swimming, so if you're thinking about doing extreme sports in this one, forget about it. So guys, this is all about the Magic 2 smartwatch. If you're planning to buy the watch after seeing this video, there are discounted links in the description below.
We would also love to hear what you think about the watch and our review. If you would like to share anything, please leave and in the comment below and we will bring it up in our next review.
And please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you really like this video. So until next time, it's bye from me and Ryan. Take care and stay safe.